includes the following counties in Nebraska: Adams, Buffalo, Howell. This is a severe thunderstorm warning message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Buffalo County, northwestern Kearney County, Phelps County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Loomis, or near Holdridge, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Kearney, Funk, Elm Creek, Odessa, Amherst, Riverdale, and Pleasanton. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 256 and 278. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Buffalo, Kearney, and Phelps. This is a tornado watch message. The National Weather Service has issued